Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your GameSir Cyclone 2 gaming controller to your PC. So basically, it has three ways on how to connect it. First, of course, using the USB-C cable. So this controller, when you unbox it, it will come with a 1 meter gaming cable. So just plug this end to your controller and then plug the USB to your PC. Basically, that's it. It will auto connect. And then next is using the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. So when you buy the controller, you can buy it with a dock, right? And then here, just plug the 2.4 receiver or the transmitter, and then at the backside of the dock, just go ahead and plug that USB-C cable you have received to your PC. So basically that's it. And after that, you just have to hold the GameSir logo here and then the X button and then simultaneously press them for 3 seconds. Hold them down until you see the GameSir logo blinking. And then lastly is of course for the Bluetooth mode. For this one, you have to press the GameSir logo and the B button simultaneously for 3 seconds. It will blink and then on your PC, just add a device, open your Bluetooth, and then click here on the everything else button. So here it will find your GameSir Cyclone 2 controller and then click on it. It will auto connect. So basically that's it.